Hi guys, Aaron here from Van Damme. We're here at Van Damme headquarters in sunny San Diego. I'm sitting here inside a Mercedes 170. This thing is fully loaded and it has some new tech that I'm super excited to let you guys in on. Inside this beautifully well-equipped 170, it's our signature design, plenty of pop-outs. Here we have a flip-out table, plenty of space. I'm feeding you tacos all day. So inside this we have a huge kitchen or galley. The length of this countertop is absolutely massive, so it's able to support double induction and then still ample space back here for preparation of food. Below this beautiful piece of maple we have a contour smart oven, and this oven's plenty big to do lots of grilling and baking. It's an air fryer and microwave all in one. I'm sure it's got some other features. On top of the induction, it's magnetic. I just took this. This is an option here. Magnetic unlock, slides, pots and pans, lots of deep storage, dove style finish. You got shaker style Baltic birch, have that farm style look. It's beautiful, black hardware throughout. Don't forget the slide out pantry. Spices, for those that love to cook, I do. Next to the slide out we have the isotherm fridge. It's kind of our go-to, 4.5 cubic feet. It has the small freezer for making ice or stowing small ice cream bars. Next to that we have recycling, filter system for the water. Moving up to the sink we have a beautiful granite composite, little bit of acrylic in there to not make it too heavy, but a really deep sink, so you can hide those dishes if you don't want to do them. The water is filtered with a filtration system underneath. Splashback here, stop anything going on to the mattress. Up forward here we have this beautiful iPad. Touch it. As you can see here, there's a lot going on. I'm going to let Mike dive in a little bit deeper, and that's that new tech that we were talking about. Overhead cabinetry with the LED under cabinet lighting, plenty of storage. 12-volt breaker board. Storage goes all the way to the rear. In the rear we have the flare space pop-outs, odd size queen. It's much larger at the back. I'm 6 foot, I can fit in there no problem, and I'm not touching my head or toes. I'm nice and comfortable. The beds are raised for our large garage that can house 3 large bikes. For this design, Mike chose white shaker style, the clear poplar on top, and then what this does for a very small enclosed area, it really opens up the space. It's a lot brighter in here, and again, you don't feel too closed out as you would with darker colors. And then back here we have the wardrobe, so big wardrobe. That's where he's hanging his jackets. Lots of storage underneath. Rixon system. We also promote hot air into the shower. We have an aluminum powder coated shower. It's nice and light, perforated up top. We push the Rixon vent in there. You can open it up when you're not having a shower. Put your ski gear in there, wet dog, turn the heat on, and hopefully everything's going to be dry in a few hours. And the door just clears. And here we have the Lavio toilet. The toilet's fully removable. It's on quick releases, so if you're like, I want more space while I'm taking a shower, let's get that out of here. Just push it between the front seats up forward. On the driver's side, forward of the shower, overhead cabinets for additional storage. Here we see hooks, bags, jackets, that sort of thing you get in, and you want something that you can just quickly hang up. These are great. They're magnetic also, so they tuck away. They're nice and flush. The love seat or the bench seat, 52 inches long on the Lagoon swivel, bamboo. Here fits nicely between the passenger and driver's seats up forward, which are also on swivels, so comfortably sit 4 people. Below the bench seat here, we have plenty of storage, so really deep drawers here, dove style finish, big deep drawers. Here we go. And then whatever you want to keep in here. Oh, let's not forget toe kick lighting, and that's throughout all our vans. At the rear of the van, she's also very loaded. On the passenger side, we've got the B2 with the one-ups. You can fit 2 bikes up here. Below here we have the backwards rear bumper. Let's take a look at the garage. Mind my head. All right. Here we have a really large garage space, and that's why the bed's so high, and it has that sail step so you can get in and out of bed. And the reason being is that we wanted to be able to fit, you've got the bike mats there, so Mike's traveling with a lot of bikes, take some friends, 3 large bikes on this 500-pound slide out. The slide out comes out all the way, locks into place, and you can rinse your gear off. Spin around here. We have a quick connect by Aqua. Either you can take a hot shower, throw down a teak mat. So freshwater system, let's talk about that. It's the 35-gallon wheel well tank, fresh water, 35-gallon grey water tank underneath in the spare tyre carrier. And what we do with all our vehicles is that no matter what, we know they're going to eventually go somewhere where it's below freezing. So when the water exits a vehicle from the shower or the sink and leads back to the holding tank, that grey tank, we wrap it in heat tape, and we put insulation around it, and we have heat pads on the grey tank itself. So when it drops below 45 degrees, it instantly kicks on. On the driver's side box, it's an electrical box, as you can see by the breakers, 12 volt 120. Mike wanted these exposed so he had ease of access. Master shutdown. We have an outlet here, 12 volt and 120. If you need to plug something in, it may be an e-bike, a speaker. We have ventilation for the electrical. When that starts to get hot in there, those will kick on, circulate that air and push that hot air out of the box. This vehicle is supporting a Victron system, 600 amp hours with room to add up to make it 1,000, so add another 400 amp hours. But right now he's running sufficient. He does have the second alternator up forward, so every time he's driving the vehicle, it's supercharging that lithium bank in the rear. Here we are on the exterior of this beautiful, well-equipped 170. It has a load of extras on the exterior. Let's talk about them. Start down here. Agile rims, 17s, heavy duty. Got the ride improvement package by Agile. Moving around, it's also supporting the badge of honor, the Van Damme badge. We have the backwards bumper. This is a beast of a bumper. My favorite, roof rack by Rugged Design Concepts. Huge roof rack, tons of real estate up there. It's supporting 300 watts of solar. It's got lots of room for activity. I'm super excited. I'm sitting here next to Mike, who's come out with some new tech that's taking Van Damme vans to the next level. We're introducing the Van Damme Smart Van. It's tech that enables the customer or the van lifer to fully control the van from the iPhone or iWatch away from the van. And before we get too deep into it, I'm going to hand it over to Mike, and he's going to dive in deep as to what this system is and what it allows you to do.
Thanks, man.
Cool.
All right, so we're standing here in the van just inside the sliding door, and in this particular van the main display is here on the side of the upper cabinets over the galley. But it's wireless, it could be wherever. And this is kind of the main page of the system. That's a quick overview of everything that's happening in your van kind of at once. So you've got information coming off the chassis, like your diesel exhaust fluid levels and your diesel levels, the state of our batteries in a percentage, as well as the draw in watts in or out of your batteries. And then we monitor, in this particular van, both the fresh and the gray. And then we have control of the climate systems over here. So I don't have the inverter on right now, but normally that would be the thermostat for the air conditioning. Below it is the controls for the heat, and below that is the controls for the ventilation fans. And then finally, moving down, we've got control for all of our lights. All lights in the van are dimmable, and everything can be seen too. So rather than turning this one on and turning that one on, I'll show you in a second, we can do scenes. And then quick things like turning the Starlink on and off. It's kind of a big power consumer, so a quick way to turn it off is always helpful. And then we have this little picture here of a van, and it's actually telling me I need to add an inch under each of the right side wheels to level us back out. So that's kind of a rundown of the system, like from a interface, from a practical use point. I use it in bed all the time, going to sleep. want to turn the heater down or up, forgot to turn off the Starlink, etc. It's super useful for that.
Come check us out here in San Diego. If you need to fly in, we'll pick you up, drop you off at the airport. We are a full custom van building company. You just tell us what you're trying to achieve and we'll let you know if you can. The vans are designed by you and built by us. Come and check us out.